In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to apply for Discover Red secured credit card. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser and then go up to discover.com/credit cards. I'll also put a link to it down in the description. From here, it should look something like this. And here you'll have an overview of all of the Discover credit cards that are offered by Discover. From here, you'll need to find the Discover It's credit card, and you can see it is right here, Discover It secured credit card. Then from here you need to click this big icon called apply now. From here you'll get to this page right here, and here you'll see it's easy to apply. You'll need to choose a different credit card that you would like to use. Personally, I like this gold one here. Then from here you'll need to add in your name and last name, the home address, your date of birth, the employment status, either employed full-time, part-time, retired, self-employed, college student, other, or unemployed. Down here you'll also need to add in your monthly housing or rent payment, your total gross income, and your email address so Discover can send you whether or not you have been accepted to this credit card. Down here you'll also be able to see the terms and conditions where you can read all of this. You can also have the important information where you can download, print this. As you can see here, you have an APR of 27.24% and APR for balance transfers, which is 10.99% for the first 6 months. Down here you'll need to click I agree to electronic communication, and then you can click submit. You'll also need to be aware that you'll need to have $200 inside of your bank account before you can apply. Once you click submit, you'll get a page where you can upload your credit score, and then you'll be able to fully submit the application for this Discover It secured credit card. If this video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more videos like this one.